So we got a prickly pear glazed pork belly on top of a jicama tortilla. We got some raspberry caviar and some microgreens to match the botanicals that we're surrounded by today.
We have a pistachio shortcake as well as a surf and turf potato skin with lobster thermidor and New York strip.
This is our favorite event because we just love all the different kind of food and local wines, the people, and of course, the botanical gardens.
Behind me, you'll see this beautiful saguaro. It takes 50 years for an arm to develop, so you can see that's quite old. Truly a spectacular place.
I don't know if I can eat anymore, but I'm going to keep trying.
Welcome to Devour. This is our second year in a row doing this event. Today we are featuring kind of a range of what you can do with sourdough as a method rather than just a flavor. We are debuting our brand new country sourdough, which will join the menu next month. It's primarily proof flour mill flour and will serve the base of a brand new flour blend that we sell, which will be our country sourdough blend. Kind of a milestone moment for us because the formula is organic flour sourced regionally, and the vast majority of it is grown here locally, milled by us. We made some big steps in our milling program to be able to accomplish that. Also, we brought paska in a mini form, which is our Ukrainian Easter bread. It was such a hit last year during Easter and actually helped shape our menu this year with the inclusion of sweet starter in many of our products, burger buns. We made the Corona for Christmas, all of the smaller rolls, like Thanksgiving rolls. And lastly, today we just made mini versions of our sourdough croissant, about a quarter of a typical sourdough croissant. So that was fun to roll those. I'm thinking about some of our friends in New York City. They run a bakery called L'Apartment 4F, and they make mini croissants for cereal boxes. So we had kind of a taste of what life is like for them. But yeah, just serving upwards of 1,000 people today, and hopefully introducing a lot of people to proof, and of course also just reacquainting people, getting an ability to kind of go a little deeper with some of our own customers since we have a bunch of us here. So we'll keep going today and meeting people.
I'm gonna take some of these. I'm gonna take some of these. We're gonna hand these out to vendors. You know, we're all about community love. Yeah. Very groovy art. Hi. Yeah, this is our sourdough bread. We're neighbors to you. Thank you. Hi neighbors. Does anybody want to try some sourdough? Take one of these. Take some of these. Okay. We've got other samples at our table. This is our country sourdough. You get a preview of our new country sourdough formula.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so this one features hard red spring and 70% flour that we mill in-house. Hi vendor friends. We are passing out some samples of our sourdough to our fellow vendors.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Enjoy. I feel like I should explain why I have a camera following me. Hey, how's it going, guys?
How are you?
Good. You guys want some sourdough bread?
Ooh, thank you.
We used your beer we used it for a beer cheese, and I think we might have used it for a bread.
Yeah.
For our YouTube channel. Yeah. Thank you. We're with Proof Bread. We're just handing out samples to our fellow vendors.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Hi, how are you? I'm so good. How are you?
So happy to see you.
Good to see you too. Hey, I'm with Proof Bread.
Hi, we love your bread.
Oh, yay.
Yes.
I'm happy to hear that. We
Yeah.
just dropped off a couple samples for you guys.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
Yeah, I was like, since it's for YouTube, you want to do a shameless plug for
Let's do
Iconic?
it. Yeah, of course. Hey, I'm Matt with Iconic Cocktail. We're pouring our new strawberry sage in two ways. We've got a non-alcoholic daiquiri and a really fun collabo margarita. And then we're pouring Brian Spear's favorite old fashioned, the fashion forward, with our spice honey and orange blossom. We're really stoked to be here. This is our 4th or 5th year. We won People's Choice Best Sip last year, and we're hoping to defend our title this year. Our website is iconiccocktailco.com. You can find us around the valley. We've been doing this for about 10 years, so you can find us at a bunch of great locations. Our #1 spot to recommend would be Urbana. They've got 3 locations in the valley, and if you're in Kansas, they got one there too. Cheers.
You are like good at this.
That is first rodeo.
Yeah.
Throwing them to the wolves.
Thank you. This is our sourdough.
Oh, we love it.
Okay, I know.
was gonna say no. Yeah.
I'll bring you more. I'll bring you more.
We're sampling 3 different ways that you can use sourdough as a method. We are an all sourdough bakery. Most importantly, our brand new country sourdough formula. It's going to debut on the menu in March. First time that it's primarily composed of our own flour, grown locally. Up until now, maybe 30% of our recipes has been locally grown flour. Now it's the opposite, 70% is locally grown, milled by us. So really proud of that one. In 3 cities around Maricopa County, so out in Tonopah, we also work with Desert Sonoran out west, so we have 2 main growers. That's not a cupcake, it's actually a special Ukrainian Easter bread called paska, except made mini, so typically it's like a cake. It's sweet, it's got cranberries inside and also candied orange peel, but it's really light and fluffy, fermented with our sweet sourdough starter for 24 hours, and then a mini version of our sourdough croissants. It's probably the single most hyper-local sourdough around. All the grain is milled by us, grown in Maricopa County.
It looks awesome. Oh
Thank
God,
you.
I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, we started in our garage in Mesa. Now we have a few locations around the valley. What part of the valley are you in?
Mesa.
Okay, so downtown, right on Main Street.
All right, I know exactly. All right.
Please feel free to grab a plate. This is 3 different versions of sourdough. Sourdough's a method, not a flavor. Our brand new country sourdough features mostly locally grown grain milled by us. You can see a big field of wheat here in Maricopa County from last year. What you're looking at is not a cupcake either. It's Ukrainian paska. It's a special Easter bread that is made just around this time of year. We made it mini for the show, and a mini version of our sourdough croissant.
So what is that if it's not bread?
The cupcake style one?
Yeah.
It's not a cupcake, it's rather bread. It's a sourdough sweet bread. It takes 24 hours to ferment. It's super enriched, so lots of fruits in there, lots of butter. It's definitely sweeter, and so it takes a lot to ferment those. 24 hours later, we get something really light and fluffy. Yeah, we don't use any commercial yeast in our bakery, so everything we make is just leavened with a sourdough starter. Really enjoying this day 1 of Devour 2026. It's been awesome to sample different items. Our Ukrainian paska is the exact same size as a cupcake today. So the common saying all day has been, it's not a cupcake. This isn't a cupcake. It's not a cupcake either. The cupcake is not a cupcake. It's been a lot of fun connecting with people over the primarily stone-milled local grains. I don't think even maybe people watching our channel realize how big of a milestone that is for us. We're gonna be back here tomorrow, and it's an amazing opportunity to meet a lot of people in our community. So if you have these types of culinary festivals near you and this is your trade, it's not an easy thing to step away from. It took us years to be able to do both our farmers markets and this at the same time. But when you can get yourself to a place like that, there's hardly a better venue to meet your future customers and also interact with your current customers at a deeper level. It's a lot of fun. We're enjoying it.